I got this Crowfoot wrench set right here, and I'm not going to open it, okay? Because this thing is expensive, and if I don't need this, I'm just going to return it. All right, now guess how much this is? I'll wait. What, you said $10? No, of course not. 20? 25? You would think it'd be 25, right? 30? No. How about 2 times 30? This thing is $59.58. Now I got it just in case I say forget it. I need it, because just in case I can't maneuver where I need to maneuver, this is going to have to be it for today. But I'm gonna save this to the side. If I don't use it, then we will return it, and we'll look on Amazon for a cheaper set or Harbor Freight. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Remember, I told y'all that I might use this. Well, I haven't used this, okay? So I changed my mind. I am going to return this, and by the time I get my car ready, I will open this. Now, this is the Crowfoot set at Harbor Freight. I don't know, why wasn't I thinking? So Pittsburgh has lifetime warranty, but I think that's on a selective few. I don't think that's on all their tools. So just like with Craftsman is not lifetime on everything, okay? So keep that in mind also. But if you want to look closer to see if there's a difference, I don't see that much of a difference, you guys. Now, this still have the same opening. Like I said, over this side, this has the same opening from when I took it from the store. So, and it's a slot on this, it's a cut on this side. So obviously somebody tried to go in this while they was in the store. I don't know why, because this is kind of hard to get into anyway. But you only get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piece set right here, where on this side is a 10-piece set. So you are dealing with $60 versus $16, I believe. $13.77. So $60 versus $13.77. I'm sticking with the $13.77. Unfortunately, all right, I'm done with this. All right, I'm gonna return that later. But unfortunately, with this set, this is a 3/8. I was looking for a 1/2 inch. With the tensioner set, this is a 3/8 driver right here, and then this is the 1/2 inch right here. So I want a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch. Lowe's didn't have the 1/2 inch, and Harbor Freight don't have the 1/2 inch. So be on the lookout. I will be getting the 1/2 inch from Amazon. I will look at it and see what kind of brands they got. What is your favorite brand tool? I don't have a brand favorite. That's how come I can switch on what brand I want to. Maybe I want a Ryobi, or maybe I want a DeWalt. I'll look at Cobalt a little bit, and I'll be like, they don't have too much of that I really want. But if I see something cool from Cobalt, I will get it. So y'all let me know in the comments, what is your favorite brand tool? All right, you guys, so we'll do the little quick review right here with this Crowfoot wrench set. So if you never opened this before, you're gonna see how to open it. If you're thinking about getting it, then you stumbled across this video, and I just hurt my hand, snapped in one of these things, and I just messed up my pretty decoration right there, but that will be okay. Not worried about that. All right, we took those 2 straps off. You lift up on the bottom, and there goes your set. Now this is not locked in, easy to come off. What I need is the 15 millimeter. Close it back up. I actually like this. This is very organized. This is pretty cool. If I could go on Harbor Freight website, maybe the 1/2 inch come like this. I might just get the 1/2 inch just to have it nice and secure like that. Okay, you guys, and that's it. That's the review of that. If you need to see anything else, let me know. All right, you guys. So I didn't get the chance to show y'all this in action, okay? My apologies. So I do have my truck here. I have plenty of work to do with the truck, especially changing the belt on there, the serpentine belt. It's not a timing belt on there because it's a timing chain on that. And I have my wife car here to do work on too. So if I need to release the tensioner or something, then I will definitely feature this on the channel. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see this, and also the tensioner wrench in action. And then I am looking for the 1/2 inch. So right here we got the 3/8. Once the camera act right, we have the 3/8, and then, as you know, I'm looking for the 1/2 inch kit. All right, you guys, that will be it. If you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and hit that notification bell so you could be notified on more stuff that's coming to the channel. And I'll catch you on the next video.